Hi guys, so let's look into the examples of the calculation of the payback period where this is we are getting these examples is you can find it from the lecture notes that I gave you in the future. You can refer it, but the purpose of we repeating the exercise is to show how to get the years or the period that indicate in the examples like 2 years 9 months, 3 years and 3 years plus 6.6 months and so forth. The other approach on this, if you previously if we don't use I used to using the A4 we calculate, we provide a manual, just use the manual calculation where we draw the table and use a calculator to calculate to get the payback. But for this semester I've seen there are other alternative in calculating the payback period, which is using the Excel. You may use these two approaches. Probably you can get the copies of the lectures from other classes, which I believe that they are using the manual approach. But this is the alternative. But the problem is you have to keep repeating to understand the reason behind the formula and why I'm using this, why, and try to calculate it manually so that you can understand the reason how to get the numbers. So this is the purpose of recorded lecture, so that you can pause and rewind whatever whenever you're free and you are doing the revision of this topic. So let's look into the first income for the project A. For this example, we are comparing between the project A, B and C, which is which of the project that giving the earlier payback period, which is the earlier that you can finish or able to pay back your outstanding or your expenses. You may start your profit immediate after you finish to bayar you punya all the expenses. Makin lama makin panjang dia punya duration of payback period, makin susah untuk you untuk mendapatkan profit secepat yang mungkin. Dalam konteks ni, you mungkin boleh melihat apakah strategi-strategi yang boleh diguna pakai di dalam menunggu tahun yang you company baru mula untuk dapatkan profit. Sebab kalau for the first year, second year tu, you mungkin sibuk bayar hutang based daripada expenditure yang you dah keluarkan. So these are the purpose of doing the payback period. You nak tahu yang what is the time yang you dah tahun bila yang you akan mula untuk buat profit. So let's look into the project A and B and C. So provide buat table macam ni so that it's easier for us to calculate the payback period. So income or expenses for project A is 200,000. Then kita masukkan semua tahun, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50,000, 75,000. This is 750, 7,500,000. 50,000, and last is 40,000. Okay, now let's look into the balance or once we start to pay, because this first year to fifth year, it shows that the income has started to generate. So your expenditure, meaning that you spend, then the first year you are getting the income. Dalam konteks construction mungkin nampak agak tak logik, you dah keluarkan duit tu siap-siap baru you boleh dapat generate income. Sebab kalau buat property biasanya construction berjalan tu pun income you dah masuk. But you can also calculate the payback using that features, tapi dia a bit complicated, but this is the easiest, a simple example that you the purpose is to make sure that you really understand that. So let's look into the balance. So once the first year you dah keluarkan 50,000, so you minus 200 minus this 50,000, you will get, so the balance hutang dia adalah 150,000. So you tarik je ni, okay, yang ini, oh no, silap dia terbalik. Let's restart back. So ini again 200 minus 50, then again 100, balance 150 minus 750, 75, then tarik lagi balance 75 minus 100, then kita boleh try tarik ni, tengok macam mana, betul ke tidak. Yes. Dan again tarik yang ni. So kita dah boleh tahu tahun kedua you dah settle your tahun ketiga you dah boleh settle you punya hutang, sebab you ada balance 75,000 lagi. So dalam 75 dia settle sebab income you adalah 100,000. So macam mana nak dapat, you ambil ni equivalent, then you start letak tahun kedua, sebab kita dah boleh tahu kita dah settle tahun kedua lebih-lebih, sebab sebab ada balance 100,000 je ni. So B7 tahun kedua, dan 75,000 bahagi 100,000, so you akan dapat 2.75 tahun. Tapi kita tak tahu 0.75 bulan tu adalah 0.75 month bersamaan dengan berapa bulan. So you nak dapatkan ni 0.75 darab 12. So you will get 2 tahun 9 bulan. Okay, let's look into the project B. Okay, sama juga, letak 250,000. Okay, daripada 250,000 ni you letak 75,000. Okay, kenapa dia jadi macam ni? Sebab saya dah siap-siap formulakan benda ni. So you boleh copy paste je table ni. 75, you masuk 75 lagi. 75,000, 100,000, 100,000. Okay, dari sini kita dah tahu dah. Tahun ketiga dia dah clean, maksudnya memang immediately kita dah tahu dia akan settle hutang tu 3 tahun ke-3. 100,000. Dan juga ni 50,000. Right, so macam mana dapat payback period again? 2 plus 1 divide by 1. So you akan dapat 3 tahun. Right, so C pun sama. You dapat 325 sama-sama expenses. So 75,000 90,000 110,000 90,000 dan 120,000. So ini kita tahu tahun ke-3 dia akan settle. So sama dengan letak tahun ke-3 plus 50 divide by 90. So you akan dapat 3.5 50 bahagi 9, 0.55. So, kita nak tahu 0.55 month sama dengan berapa. So, sama dengan 0.55 darab 12. Ia akan dapat 3 tahun 6.6 bulan. Okay, 3.55 ni sama dengan 6.6 bulan.